This is one of the Java 8 interview question. So they given list of integers. So we have to separate even and odd from the given list of integers in single string. So I prepare input with the 1, 2, 3, 4 list of integers. So let's understand how do we separate this in Java 8. So now we have list of integers. This is the list. On the list, first we have to apply stream. So stream is the method available in the collection interface. So we have list and set. So collection is super interface for list and set. Okay. So I'm calling stream on the collection object. So now we have stream object here. We opened stream on the list of objects. Now we can apply intermediate and terminal operations on that stream. Once we have stream object, I'm calling collect method. Here collect is the method available in the stream interface. That is why I'm able to call this collect method. After calling collect method, here we have to use partitioning by, because partitioning by will return two groups. One is true and another one is the false group. See this return type, collector of map, key and value, map of boolean and list of integers. Always it returns only two groups. One is true group and another one is the false group. That is why its key is boolean. Okay, but see this collect method is expecting collector interface. Collector is the interface here. Partitioning by returning collector as a return type. That is why it is a static factory method in the collectors class. So that is why I'm calling here collect method is expecting collector interface. That is why I'm calling collectors.partitioningBy. It returns collector object. So after calling collectors.partitioningBy, see this partitioning by is expecting predicate as an input. Predicate is functional interface. If it is functional interface, it contains only one abstract method, right? Here the abstract method is test. So I can write lambda expression implementation for this test method. That is why I'm using lambda expression here. Let's understand by taking sample example. So here we should not use filter method, because if you use filter method, we have to use two streams. For even stream, we have to use one filter. For odd stream, you have to use another filter. So we have to write two filters. But in this case, the given requirement is we have to use single stream. That is why we have to use partitioning by. Let's understand this. For example, the given input is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we apply stream, it will fetch one after one element, right? So the given input is 1 modulo 2. It is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, see this return type. Test is the method. I'm implementing this test method here, right? So its return type is boolean. So if this condition met here, it will return true. If doesn't met, it returns false. Here it is not equal to 0, so it returns false. Return type is the boolean. So as I told you, partitioning by will return only two groups in the form of map. For example, map key value. Key is boolean, value here is list of integers. For 1, this condition is not met. So it return only two groups, true, false. Now it is false. So it is added in this group, value 1. So the next input is 2. 2 modulo 2. It is equal to 0. So the return value is true. Then it will add it here. The value added in the true group. So in this way, the given input will be separated into two groups, 2, 4 even numbers, 1, 3 odd numbers. So this is how partitioning by will work. See, let's understand this in the code. List On the list, we have to first apply the string. After applying string, I want to call collect. Collect is expecting collectors dot partitioning by. I'm implementing here predicate modulo 2 equal to 0. If this condition met, that is the even number. It return map boolean ASCII list of integer as value. So the object name is result. Now it is map. To get map of values, we have to use get method. I want to pass true key. We know true and we know its keys, right? It returns only true and false groups. So when we call true here, so wherever the condition met for input elements, so those will be part of the true. So it will return list of integers even. List of integers odd, false, false. Yeah, I'm printing even numbers and odd numbers as well. I'm running this program. See the given list of integers 1, 2, 3, 4. We separated even and odd numbers into two lists in single string.